Hello, my name is Miguel, and today I'm gonna make for you cabbage chicken stir fry. So we're gonna need two small plummy onion, um, tomatoes, or one, a small or medium-sized onion, 4 to 6 garlic cloves, just a grate of nutmeg, like a quarter teaspoon, stack of scallion, a tablespoon to a tablespoon and a half of dried parsley and dried basil, and a teaspoon of fermented berries, and less than quarter cup of cooking oil for frying, and tablespoon of white vinegar, and a scotch bonnet pepper ripened, and a pound of chicken parts, breast and wing preferably. Alright, onions, strip the leaf off, just the leaf, just this brown leaf. Alright, scallion, take the upper layer off. And we're gonna rinse these and add this while it fries. Rinse and well. So add your pimento berries. I'm gonna marinate it in this for a little while. Scallion, onion, scallion, and garlic now. Alright, garlic. Let's take the leaf off. Sometime when I'm in an hurry, I smash it and take these off. Alright, so garlic. Save the garlic. Just smash it. Smash it. Alright. So we're gonna add the dry herbs while it fries. Pepper now. Yeah, piece of pepper in it. One pepper. Oh, you see, you gotta be careful when you burst it because it splashes. The pickled pepper one. It'll splash and burn you in your eyes. So just to get everything out of the way, add the salt as well. A tablespoon and a half. That's it. And the nutmeg. This is optional. And because it's natural cooking, it enhances the flavor. About quarter teaspoon. Put this aside for later. Alright, this is about a pound of cabbage. Actually weighed it. Let's take these leaves or cut these off. Look for the latches and cut them off. Take the whole leaf off first though. And cut it in half. off. Remove this. And then cut it in quarters. Like that. Takes a handful of salt, like that much. Just rinse this. Just let it soak, the water a little bit above it. Let it soak. Any worm or insect will come out. For about 5 minutes. That's our chicken now. Chicken need a little defrosting. Alright, just add some water. It's the same pot I'm gonna fry it in, so little white vinegar. I take my skin off, but I'm gonna use it to flavor the oil. Just one piece. This piece. Put it in a season. Just wash out. This is clean, but clean between these places. Clean this off. That's where the butt is. This is doo-doo, you know. A lot of people don't know that, but that's doo-doo. I mean, I don't know what a cleaner way to say it. It's poo. In half. I'm about an inch or 2 inch in length. Alright, once it's tarred out, like it's still tough, see. Once it gets soft, you just remove them and put them in this to marinate. Or you can put them in it, make it marinate now and tar in there, which I'm gonna do. Forget it. Just make them tar while it marinates. Wash this out and throw it away. Alright. Try this. The only thing we didn't add was, everything is added. The only thing we didn't add was the herbs, the tomato, and the vinegar. We're going to add that while it cooks. I'll put that aside for later. Let's deal with this. Alright, this now. Cut all the hearts and take the leaves apart. It's as big as this. I want to keep this. While you take it apart, look for anything that you might. Just take them apart. Make sure you take every leaf apart. Don't smash them, keep them. It should be clean like this. Just put them aside, let them just run dry. Alright, put a dutchie or a frying pot to eat. Put the stove gauge on high. We're going to fry the chicken parts. This is the ginger. Alright, add oil, add quarter cup. We're gonna remove some if we have to. Add the skin. One of the things you can use with this too as well is shredded carrot. I'm using a carrot today. Let's take the seasoning off. Just allow that to fry on one side for about 2 to 3 minutes. After 3 to 4 minutes, just kind of flip it and allow frying on this side. This is around 3 to 5 minutes. Saute the onion, and you gotta make sure the chicken is cooked properly. That's like 1 minute. Okay, add the cabbage and just blow it. Stir it one time and leave. This gauge is still on high. After 2 minutes, flip it and leave it. Add herbs. About a tablespoon and a half of dried basil and dried parsley. After a minute or two, leave it. Flip it and leave it. Some people would finish here, so in fact that's what I'm gonna do. Because you don't want to overcook it. And just add it to my top. After the third flipping, that's it, finished. And it's best to serve now, because if you let it stay, it's gonna get soft. Cabbage chicken stir fry. As for the carrot don't need much cooking, so you could add it like a minute, like in the second flip. Oh, you can add like a ketchup. So once people see the picture with the wing, they know it's chicken. Looking for a fork. It's good. Healthy choice. I miss this meal. I used to make this a lot. Because cabbage got so expensive because of the drought. I didn't buy it for like 6, 8 months. And I'm enjoying this meal so much right now. Fat. Take it out, throw it out. It's for later.